Hello everyone. As we know that we have started a new chapter, natural resources, and in our previous video we have studied about wind and the movement of air in the coastal areas. And today we are going to study about rain, how it occurs. So children, warm and moist air, when it rises up, it cools down and it forms clouds. But this process is not so simple. ये process उतनी simple नहीं है. How it happens? Let's study. See, during day, due to solar radiations, water bodies they get heated. Means solar radiations की वजह से दिन के समय जो water bodies हैं, water bodies like river, ponds, lake and ocean, they get heated. And water in large amount it gets evaporated. Water जो है ये evaporate होता है. And what is evaporation? Evaporation is a process of conversion of water into water vapors. So water in large amount it gets evaporated. At the same time air it also gets heated. Means जो दिन के समय during day air जो है इसका भी temperature increase होता है and it rises up. Why it rises up? Because it gets lighter. गर्म होने की वजह से ये हल्की हो जाती है. And what air? It rises up and it carries water vapors with it. Means इसके साथ water vapors भी होते हैं. And this air when it rises up it gets cooled और ये ठंडी होती है and it expand. And due to condensation these water droplets, water vapors, they converts into tiny water droplets. And how it happens? See, the suspended particles which are present in the atmosphere, suspended particles like dust, when they act as a nucleus, so the process of condensation it is facilitated. Means जो suspended particles like dust particles जब ये एक nucleus की तरह act करते हैं तो condensation जो है ये process होती है. And when these water droplets they becomes bigger and bigger, and when they becomes heavy, so they fall on the earth in the form of rain. और जब ये water droplets ये बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो जाती हैं तो ये earth में in the form of rain they fall. And this process is called precipitation और इसे हम बोलते हैं precipitation. And precipitation it also occurs in the form of snow, hail and rain and sleet also. And when sometimes it happens when the temperature of air it is low, then precipitation happens in the form of snow, hail and sleet.
Children, now you must be thinking that what is sleet? So sleet is a type of precipitation and it forms under certain weather conditions. Sleet occurs when falling snow melts and then refreezes before it hits the ground. देखिए sleet fall कब होता है? जब बर्फ पड़ती है, लेकिन जब बर्फ गिरती है तो एयर की एक लेयर दैट इज वार्म इन दी एटमॉस्फेयर, जो अपर लेयर है वो वार्म होती है, तो उस वजह से क्या होता है, जो स्नो है ये मेल्ट हो जाती है एंड देन रीफ्रीजेस, और ये दोबारा से फ्रीज हो जाती है क्योंकि जो लेयर जो ग्राउंड के नियर है दैट हैज़ वेरी लो टेम्परेचर, तो जो मेल्टेड स्नो है वो वापस से फ्रीज हो जाती है, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं स्लीट फॉल. एंड स्लीट फॉल occurs in UK, Ireland and most of the Commonwealth countries. And in India, movement of air it plays a very important role in bringing rains. India receives most of the rain from the monsoon winds only. इंडिया में ज़्यादातर रेनफॉल मॉनसून विंड्स की वजह से होता है. एंड इन समर सीजन साउथ वेस्ट मॉनसून इज एक्टिव, while during winter season northeast monsoon is active. The southwest monsoon blows in from sea to land. And how it happens? Let's see. The hot air that rises over South Asia during April and May, it creates a low pressure areas. देखिए, we have already studied that air when it is hotter, it is warmer, so it becomes lighter. तो ये हल्की हो जाती है, so it rises up and it creates a low pressure area, and due to which the cooler moisture bearing winds from the Indian Ocean flows. और इस वजह से क्या होता है, जो इंडियन ओशन है वहाँ से moisture bearing air ये ब्लो करती हैं. And these air circumstances set off a rush of moisture rich air from the southern seas over South Asia. और इस वजह से क्या होता है, moisture bearing air जो है इनका movement साउथ एशिया की तरफ होता है फ्रॉम इंडियन ओशन. And in Mumbai, monsoon reaches around June 10. And you know, the southwest monsoon, it occurs in two branches. One from Indian Ocean and other from Bay of Bengal monsoon. So it moves northward in the Bay of Bengal and spreads over the most of the Assam by the first week of June. And these two branches of monsoon, they merge as a single current, bringing rain in part of the North India in July. You know, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, they receive most of their rainfall from the northeast monsoon during November and December. While 80% of country receives most of its rainfall from the southwest monsoon from June to September. So in India, rainfall patterns are decided by the prevailing wind patterns, and in large parts of India, rains are mostly brought by the southwest or northeast monsoons. And you must have heard this in weather reports that depressions in the Bay of Bengal have caused rains in some areas. सो डिप्रेशंस आर द एरियाज ऑफ लो एयर प्रेशर. और लो एयर प्रेशर की वजह से क्या होता है, विंड का मूवमेंट होता है, एंड विंड दे कैरी मॉइस्चर विद देम विच कॉजेज रेन इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया.